top 3 ranks given by the management to honor rank holders in the PG University examinations. Garen Roy, Department of Statistics, secured first rank with A+ grade in MG University MSc Statistics examination. Best Student Award in the Science Department sponsored by Mrs. Annie Paul, alumnus of Nirmala College. Professor P.C. Tharu Endowment Award for Top Scorer in MSc Statistics. Reverend Dr. John Vallamatham Endowment for Top Scorer in MSc Statistics. Ahsana Fatima J, Department of Zoology, secured first rank in MG University MSc Zoology examination. Professor Charyachan George Memorial Endowment Award for Top Scorer in MSc Zoology. Anjali Sajeev, Department of Malayalam, secured second rank with A+ grade in MG University MA Malayalam examination. Ms. Mary John Manjapilli Endowment Award for Top Scorer in MA Final Malayalam. Annu Tommy, Department of Hindi, secured second rank in MG University MA Hindi examination. Professor C.P. Anandalakshmi Endowment Award for the Best Student MA Hindi. Gada M, Department of Chemistry, secured second rank with A+ grade in MG University MSc Chemistry examination. Reverend Dr. Matthew Tottil Endowment Award for Top Scorer in MSc Chemistry. Dr. Dominic Jacob Endowment Award for Top Scorer in MSc Chemistry. Dr. Thomas Francis Endowment Award for Top Scorer in MSc Chemistry. Nima Jijo, Department of Statistics, secured second rank with A+ grade in MG University MSc Statistics examination. Dr. Sita Lakshmi V Endowment Award for the student who scored top mark in stochastic process. Gopika Devi N, Department of Malayalam, secured third rank with A+ grade in MG University MA Malayalam examination. Best Outgoing Student Award sponsored by Reverend Dr. Vincent Joseph, former principal. Binita Lily Binoy, Department of Statistics, secured third rank with A+ grade in MG University MSc Statistics examination. Professor Denisama Joseph Endowment Merit Cum Means Award for Top Scorer in MSc Statistics. Anne Mary John, MA HRM, secured third rank in MG University MA HRM examination.
Mementos and cash awards to top 3 ranks given by the management to honor rank holders in the UG examinations. Milana Jose, BSc Physics Model 1, secured first rank with S grade in BSc Physics Model 1. Professor Sunny Joseph Endowment Award for the Best Outgoing Student in Model 1 BSc Physics. Professor P.M. Kurian Endowment Award for Top Scorer in Final Year BSc Physics. And Professor P.J. Michael Award for Meritorious Student in 3rd BSc Physics. Namita Riya Koshi of BCom OMSP secured first rank with S grade in BCom Model 3 OMSP. Abhinav Benny, BCom Taxation, secured the first rank with A+ grade in BCom Model 3 Taxation. Abdul Kalam KH, BSc Physics Model 2, secured first rank in BSc Physics Model 2, and Professor Sunny Joseph Endowment Award for the Best Outgoing Student in Model 2 BSc Physics. Janice Maria R, BSc Mathematics, secured the second rank with S grade in BSc Mathematics. Professor George Verghese Endowment Award for the top scorer in degree outgoing batch. Monsignor Thomas Muthmenan Endowment Award for top scorer in BSc Mathematics. examination, secured second rank with A+ grade in BCom Model 3 Taxation. Vaishnavi VR, BCom Computer Application, secured the second rank with A+ grade in BCom Model 3 Computer Application. Fatima Qasim, BCom OMSP, secured second rank with 10th A+ grade in BCom Model 3 OMSP. Sister Jania John, BA Hindi, secured second rank with A+ grade in BA Hindi. Professor P.V. Verghese Endowment Award for the top scorer in final year BA Hindi. Nirosha B, BSc Physics Model 2, secured second rank in BSc Physics Model 2. Sahalamol VB, BVOC, secured second rank in BVOC Logistics Program. Swarna R. Prabhu, BCom OMSP, secured third rank with A+ grade in BCom Model 3 OMSP. Farhana Fatima, BA Hindi, secured third rank with A+ grade in BA Hindi. Athena Asar Khan, BSc Physics Model 2, secured third rank in BSc Physics Model 2 examinations. Nayana Shaji, BVOC, secured third rank in BVOC Logistics Program.
Moving on to Best Student Awards. Sneha Dilip, Department of Zoology, Best Student Award sponsored by Reverend Dr. C.A. Abraham, former Professor of Department of English. Gopika Dibu, BA Economics, Professor George James Excellence Award for the Best Student from the Department of Economics. Secured A+ grade in BA Economics University examination. Minister K.M. George and Professor M.C. Matthew Endowment Award for top scorer in final year BA Economics. Gopika Dibu. Parvati Rajan, MA Economics, Professor George James Excellence Award for the Best Student from the Department of Economics. Jauhar Naushad, Department of Hindi, Award for the Best Student instituted by Dr. James Matthew. Nandana Ravindran, Department of Botany, Award for the Best Student instituted by Dr. James Matthew. Joel Baby, Department of Commerce, Merit Cum Means Award for the Best Student instituted by Dr. James Matthew. Vidya Vijayan, Department of Statistics, Merit Cum Means Award for the Best Student instituted by Dr. James Matthew. Abhijit Mohanan, BCA, Merit Cum Means Award for the Best Student instituted by Dr. James Matthew. Amal Joseph, Department of Hindi, Merit Cum Means Award for the Best Student, instituted by Dr. James Matthew. Parvati Sajeev, Malayalam, Professor Ravi Varma Pandala Memorial Endowment Merit Cum Means Award for the Best Student in the Department of Malayalam. Aparna Mohan, Department of BCA. She is appreciated for being selected as the best NSS volunteer and got selection for pre-Republic Day camp of 2025. Ando Joseph, Department of Chemistry. Dr. M.K. Dineshan Memorial Merit Cum Means Award for the student from MSc Chemistry. Joel Jolie, Department of Data Science. Dr. Thomas V. Thomas Memorial Merit Cum Means Award for the Best Student. Anne Maria Babu, Department of Malayalam, Best User of Library Award, instituted by Sri K. Gopalakrishnan Nair. Gauri V. Nair, Communicative English, secured 5th rank in BA Communicative English. Dr. Susan Thomas Memorial Award for the Best Student in Final Year BA Communicative English. Professor K.U. Matthew Award for Top Scorer on BA Communicative English. Professor Philomena Matthew Endowment Award for the Best All-Rounder in the Department of Communicative English. Also, she is the winner of Professor Valsa George Award for the Top Scorer in Final Year BA Communicative English.
സമ്മാനാർഹരായവരും ഒരു വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾ ആരും പോകരുത്, അവസാനം വരെ നിൽക്കണമെന്ന് പ്രത്യേകം അഭ്യർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു.
Sri Jose K. Pulparmil Endowment Award for the best students in various self-financing courses. Anagha Sajeevan, BA Communicative English. Arjun Saji, MCom Self. Vaishnavi VR, BCom Computer Applications. Karthik Biju, BCom Taxation. Karthik Biju, BCom Taxation. Namita Riya Koshi, BCom Office Management and Secretarial Practice. Josna Sojan, MCA. Anne Mary John, MHRM. Sondipur Dheeraj, BTTM. He has also secured the 7th rank in BTTM program. Devika Dilip, MTTM. Abhimanyu Jainath, BVOC. ME Data Science. Amal Raju E has also secured the 10th rank in VGTM program.
Of English, Dr. Rani Matthew Endowment Award for Top Scorer in 2nd MA English. Professor Annama John Endowment Award for Top Scorer in 2nd MA English. Matthew A.B. Matthew, English. Professor Lissy S. Plathotam Endowment Award for Top Scorer in 1st MA English. Vaishagi K.P., Hindi. Professor C.P. Anandalakshmi Award for the Best Student in 1st MA Hindi. Angel Nixon, Department of Statistics. Dr. Sita Lakshmi V. Endowment Award for the student who secured top rank in stochastic process. Maria Francis, Statistics Department. Dr. Sita Lakshmi V. Endowment Proficiency Prize, first year MSc Statistics. Minamol VB, Commerce Department. Professor K.V. Devasi Award for Top Scorer in MCOM Advanced Financial Accounting. Professor T.J. Francis Xavier Endowment Award for Topper in 2nd year MCOM. Iron Mary, Commerce Department. Professor T.J. Francis Xavier Endowment Award for Topper in 1st year MCOM. Shruti Biju, Commerce Department. Professor T.J. Francis Xavier Proficiency Award for Topper in 1st year MCOM. Ayana Sadeshan, Chemistry Department. Professor V.A. Matthew for Top Scorer in 1st MSc Chemistry. Krishnasri B, Economics Department. Professor Sebastian Kachara Endowment Award for the Top Scorer in MA Economics first year. Professor P.T. Chacko Award for Best Essay in English.
Degree level awards. Hisham M.J. Department of Mathematics has secured Professor K. Ramakrishna Pillai Memorial Endowment Award for the top scorer in complementary statistics. Also, Professor Sister Benjamin for Award for Top Scorer in 2nd BSc Mathematics. BSc 1983-86 batch Endowment Merit Cum Means Award for Top Scorer in 2nd BSc Mathematics. Geetanjali R, Department of Malayalam, secured 10th rank in BA Malayalam University Examination. C. Keshavan Nair Memorial Award for Meritorious Student in final year BA Malayalam. Devika T, Department of Chemistry, secured 5th rank with A+ grade in BSc Chemistry. Ms. Mary Joseph Vallamatam Endowment Award for Top Scorer in BSc Chemistry. Anupama T.M, Chemistry, secured 10th rank with A+ grade in BSc Chemistry. Professor Sinama Jacob Endowment Award for Top Scorer in final year BSc Part 3 Chemistry. Gina Thomas, Department of Botany, secured A+ grade in BSc Botany University Examination. Professor K.V. Joseph Endowment Award for Top Scorer in BSc Botany. Afifa E.A., Department of Zoology, secured 4th rank with A+ grade in BSc Zoology. Professor A.M. Joseph Endowment Award for Top Scorer in BSc Zoology. Devika Sajeevan, Department of Zoology, secured 9th rank with A+ grade in BSc Zoology. Professor K.K. Emmanuel Award for Top Scorer in 3rd BSc Zoology Practicals. Asna Majid, Department of Zoology, Professor P.C. Mary Endowment Award for the top scorer in core zoology in first and second sem, Dr. Susan Thomas Memorial Awards for topper in Part 1 English. Gloria Baby, BCom Regular, secured A+ grade in BCom Regular University Examination 2024-25. Dr. Shaju Thomas and Dr. Shashikala K. Joseph Endowment Award for top scorer in Zoology Open Course. Professor T.J. Francis Xavier Proficiency Award for topper in third year BCom. Keshav M. Physics Model 1, secured A+ grade in BSc Physics University Examination. Professor George Kuriakose Merit Cum Means Award for the best student in third BSc Physics. Sister Divya Jose, Department of Botany, Professor Joseph T. Puthanpura Award for top scorer in second BSc Botany, Monsignor Matthew Palamatam Award for top scorer in second BSc Part 1 English, and Dr. Susan Thomas Memorial Award for topper in Part 1 English. Sister Rini, Department of Hindi, Dr. Sheila Isaac Award for top scorer in second BA Hindi Main. Vaishak Shashi, Physics, Professor George Kuriakose Merit Cum Means Award for Best Student in 2nd BSc Physics. Anamika PS, Department of Mathematics, Monsignor Thomas Nedungalil Memorial Award for Top Scorer in 2nd BSc Part 2 Malayalam. Jem K. Jose, Department of Economics, Professor P.M. Devasya Endowment Award for the top scorer, 2nd BA Part 1 English, Dr. Susan Thomas Memorial Award for topper in Part 1 English, Advocate Joseph Augustine Award for Best Orator in Malayalam. Gauri V.S., Department of Physics, Professor George Kuriakose Merit Cum Means Award for Best Student in 1st BSc Physics. Paul, BCom Regular, Professor N.M. Paulos and Professor Devasi Manuran Award for Top Scorer, Part 2 BCom University Exams, and Professor T.J. Francis Xavier Endowment Award for topper in third year BCom. Shana Jasmine PM, BCom Regular, Wiley Joseph Nidri Memorial Endowment Award for top scorer in BCom Business Law. Bilna Benny, Department of Chemistry, Reverend Sister Linus Memorial Student Award for the Best Non-Student of Department of Chemistry, Dr. Susan Thomas Memorial Award for topper in Part 1 English. Parvati Srinivasan, Department of Economics, Advocate Joseph Vallamatam Award for the top scorer, 2nd BA Part 2 Malayalam. Anne Mary Jojan, Department of Malayalam, Professor K.U. Chako Award for the top scorer in BA Malayalam Sanskrit paper. Alita Jose, Department of Commerce, Professor T.J. Francis Xavier Endowment Award for topper in 2nd year BCom. Abhishek Biju, Department of Commerce, Professor T.J. Francis Xavier Endowment Award for topper in 1st year BCom.
Dr. Susan Thomas Memorial Awards for toppers in Part 1 English in 1st and 2nd semesters in degree classes. 1st Physics Vocational, Abel Matthew. 1st Physics, Neha Dennis. 1st BCom, Alna Shaji. 1st Mathematics, Meenu Vinod. 1st Communicative English, Anna Sajan. 1st Hindi, Devu VR. Ganga Unnikrishnan, Malayalam Department. Neenu OS, BCA. Endowment Awards and Literary Competitions. Endowment Awards and Literary Competitions. Hannah Joy, Economics Department. Advocate Joseph Augustine Award for Best Orator in English. Ajishma Tangapan, Economics Department, Reverend Sister Rosakutti Kapan Award for the Best Malayalam Poem. Nikki Goban, Malayalam Department, Reverend Dr. John Vallamatam Award for the Top Scorer in Essay Writing in Malayalam.
Moving on to the special awards and mementos for the students of NCC. Adarsh Varghese Jojo of the Department of BCA, All India Thal Sainik Camp Delhi 2024. Adira K, Department of Mathematics, Republic Day Camp Delhi 2025. Devika PS, Department of Economics, Republic Day Camp Delhi 2025. Ganga R, Department of Botany, Republic Day Camp Delhi 2025. Sri Lakshmi PS, Department of Hindi, Republic Day Camp Delhi 2025. Parvati Srinivasan, Department of Economics, Republic Day Camp Delhi 2025. Arya Babu V, Department of BTTM, Republic Day Camp Delhi 2025. Benyam Nainan, Department of Hindi, Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat Camp 2024. Albert Manoj, Department of Chemistry, Rock Climbing Training Camp 2024. Also, Merit Cum Means Award for the Best Student instituted by Dr. James Matthew. George Kuti Roy, Department of Physics, Army Attachment Camp 2, Madras 2024. Altrino Francis, Department of BTTM, All India NCC Trekking Camp 2024.
Special Awards and Mementos, Sports. Sriraj K, Department of Malayalam, MG University Football Team Member and participated in All India Inter-University Football Championship. Adin Biju, BWOC, MG University Football Team Member and participated in All India Inter-University Football Championship. Joshua M. Joshi, MA English, MG University Football Team Member and participated in All India Inter-University Football Championship. Kashmira Lalu, Mathematics, winner MG University Karate Championship. Nikul Vijayan, BCom Finance and Taxation winner tug of war All India Inter-University Championship.
നിർമ്മലയുടെ കരുത്തുറ്റ കായിക താരങ്ങളുടെ ഒരു ലഘു അവതരണമാണ്. സമയം സ്ക്രീനിൽ തെളിയുക.
Alan Biju BCom Computer Application winner tug of war All India Inter-University Championship. Ashwin Jayachandran BCom Model 3 Taxation winner tug of war All India Inter-University Championship. Bibin Ajiraj BCom Computer Application Model 3 winner tug of war All India Inter-University Championship.
Mementos given by the management to honor A+ holders and rank holders in the UG exams. Sister Glory Gavasis, BA Hindi, has secured the 4th position. Ananya K. Chandrakumar, BA Hindi, has secured the 9th position. Nancy Bashir from the Department of Physics, Model 1. Ashar Jaman, Department of Physics, Model 1. Parvati Soman, BSc Physics Model 2, has secured the 4th rank. Della Robin, BSc Physics Model 2, has secured the 5th rank. Hiba Mohammed, Department of Chemistry. Namita Nair, Department of Chemistry. Aksha Sibi, Department of Chemistry. Juna James, Department of Zoology. Alakananda VK, Department of Botany. Santwana PL, Department of Botany. Ashita K. Shaji, Department of Mathematics. She has also secured the 5th position. Archana K. Department of Mathematics. Angel Maria Benny, Department of Mathematics. Anakha S. Nair, Department of Mathematics. Augustine Joseph, Department of Mathematics. Marin Biju, Department of Mathematics. Shruti S. Kumar, Department of Mathematics. Fatima CR, Department of Mathematics. Ifrat Samina, Department of Mathematics. Harinandana PS, Department of Mathematics. Harinandana PS, Department of Mathematics. Department of Economics. Adila KM, Department of Economics. Neha Marin Paul, BCom regular. Nia Anna Jason, BCom regular. Gauri S. Nair, BCom regular. Nitsa Mary Binoy, BCom regular. Ravina V. Nair, BCom regular. Vaishnav KP, BCom regular. Evelyn Joy, BCom regular. Alina Saji, BCom taxation. She has also secured the 7th position. Nivya Joby, BCom taxation. She has also secured the 10th position. Bharat G. Anil, BCom computer applications. He has secured the 7th rank. Rikhil Matthew, BCom computer applications, has secured the 9th position. Ananta Padmanabhan R, BCom OMSP, has secured the 4th position. Gauri Nanda S, BCom OMSP, has secured the 5th position. Dan K. Benny, BCom OMSP, has secured the 7th position. Pranav K. Mohan, BCom OMSP, has secured the 9th position. Vasila Bashir, BCom OMSP, has secured the 10th position. Fatima Rasha, Department of PTTM, has secured the 6th position. Gauri Priya Babu, Department of BVOC, has secured the 4th position. Abhimanyu J. Nath, Department of BVOC, has secured 5th position. Alfred Sunny, Department of BVOC, has secured the 6th position. Ananda Krishnan S has secured the 7th position, Department of BO. Alvin Jose, Department of BO, has secured the 9th position. Badusha Maideen, Department of BO, has secured the 10th position.
Mementos given by the management to honor A+ holders and rank holders in the PG University examinations. Anjana KB, MA Malayalam, 7th rank. Alfana MS, MA Hindi, 5th rank. Alina Joshi, MA Hindi, 7th rank. Ravina Ravi, MA Hindi, 8th rank. Saubarnika Sadishan, MSc Zoology, 7th rank. Sona Soni, MSc Statistics, 4th rank. Angel Nixon, MSc Statistics, 5th rank. Marin John, MSc Statistics, 6th rank. Suramya Surendran, MSc Statistics, 7th rank. Adira Lalu, MSc Statistics, 8th rank. Alina Joji, MSc Statistics, 9th rank. Philomen Roy, MSc Statistics, 10th rank. Tia Mariam Sibi, MSc Statistics, A+ holder. Annette Mary George, MSc Statistics, A+ holder. Annie Sandosh, MA HRM, 7th rank. Josna Sojan, MCA, 10th rank. Thank you and congratulations to all winners.